Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Oo. So, syempre, before po tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info, and ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. So, ito po yung kanyang FB page. Don't forget to follow. Okay? And, yeah. Kung may mga concern, okay, pagdating sa mga gustong magpagamot, o kay Kuya Ding si yan, tatanggapin po niya physical man, spiritual man, kulam, or kung ano man, like sanib, mas gusto niya yon. Yung may mga nasigaw-sigaw, o sa, yeah, parang sanib, yung mga, yes, mas gusto niya yon, mas prefer niya yon, oo. Okay, so, ano pa ba? Message kayo sa akin, ibibigay ko yung details niya po sa inyo, and kayo na po yung bahalang makipag-usap sa kanya po, ha? So, ang name niya ay Kuya Ding Si. Oo, Dingsy. Oh, 'di ba? Isang word lang po 'yun, ha. Kuya Ding Si. Iba't iba na yung natatanggap kong pangalan ni Kuya Ding Si. Okay? So, 'yun po, ha. And yeah, pagdating naman sa ating mga evil eye items. So, available naman po siya. And yeah, ito yung ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet. This is available in red and black strings. Merong initial na ilalagay. Okay? Initial po ng magmamayari. Okay? And syempre, ito po ay adjustable. Okay? So, ito naman yung ating evil eye ring. Kung ganito yung gusto nyo, ring lang. So, yeah, pareho lang din naman siya kung anong meron dito, meron din dito, no? So, adjustable, non-tarnish, and hypoallergenic. Okay, so ganyan siya. Meron siyang blue na stone sa kanya. Oo, so ito naman yung ating second design. Oo, ng ating bracelet. Oh, so ganyan siya. Meron siyang ganyan bling bling bling, o 'di ba? And this is unisex. And ito po ay garterize. Okay, so garterize siya, and ito naman yung ating ang tawag dyan, o 'di ba? Wala na naman, lutang naman. Oo. So, evil eye necklace. So, yan siya. Non-tarnish. Okay, non-tarnish ito, and hypoallergenic, and syempre meron siyang extenders. Okay? So, yan siya. Okay, and pagdating naman sa ating The Granter, no, message lang po kayo kay admin sa atin pong FB page, no, Fias Tarot. Doon po kayo tanong kung meron pa ba na slot. Okay, kung meron pa, yes, pwede naman kayong kumuha para maipadala ngayong darating na Saturday. Okay, Saturday po ang pick up, ha, ng ating mga orders. So, iniipon ko muna sa loob ng isang linggo yan. So, para sabay-sabay na. Okay, sabay-sabay po yung pick up dito, no? So, yeah, yun lamang. Kung gusto nyo makita yung, ang tawag dyan, design ni Granter, sabihin nyo lang kay admin. Okay? Bibigyan naman kayo niya ng sample ng picture ni Granter. Okay? So, yeah. Niintay ko na lang yung mga, ang tawag dyan, feedback. Oo. Nung iba na nakatanggap na. Kasi kanina lang nakatanggap yung iba. So, iintayin ko lang yung good feedback. So, ng mga nag-order ng Granter. And syempre, meron ding mga good feedbacks itong ating mga evil eye. Okay? So, let's start. Okay, air sign. So, ano bang meron for you, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua? Okay. The star in reverse. Okay, this is Aquarius placement. The Three of Pentacles. So, sinasabi dito, huwag kayo mawalan ng pag-asa. Yes. May darating na tulong daw. Okay, may darating na tulong. May naririnig ako may magpapiyansa, may makakapagpiyansa. Specific po yun, ha? Specific yun, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? So, meron akong nakuhang ganyan. may mailalaban na kaso, may papiyansahan, may makakaalis, parang ganyan. Okay? May tulong na darating in general for you air signs. Okay? So, parang feeling nyo kasi is parang wala na kataang pag-asa, parang ganyan. Pero eventually, darating yung tulong para sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Next. Air signs. The Two of Swords in reversed. Decision making. Okay? The Queen of Swords in reverse. So, wag magpapalamang, mga air signs. Okay? Some of you, wag kang gagawa ng decision sa pamamagitan ng galit. Okay? Wag kang, oo. Okay? May iba kasi nakuha ko rito sa galit na kapag sabi ng ganito, na kapag desisyon ng ganyan. Okay? Some of you, dala ng galit, kahit ayaw natin, yung sasabihin or yung gagawin, minsan, nasasabi at nagagawa. Okay? Be careful. Yeah. Some of you, ang nakukuha ko is, ang tawag dyan, parang, kailangan nyo munang magmasid-masid. Parang ganyan, bago kayo umuo or humindi. Parang ganyan. Okay? What else? Okay, avoid bad decisions. Okay? Strength. The Empress in reversed. Merong Leo dito ang ayaw kang uusad. What's with this strength? Meron ditong parang balakid. Okay, some of you need to improve. No, meron kayong kailangang improve pagdating sa sarili. Yes. Strength. Yeah. The Emperor and the Empress in reverse. So, meron kailangan talagang i-improve. Okay? Some of you, I'm seeing here another pregnancy. Another pregnancy. Okay? So, pwedeng may nangyaring bleeding before. Ito specific po ha, hindi para sa lahat. May bleeding before, may chance na ulit. Okay? May chance na ulit. And I think magiging okay na tong next pregnancy na to. I'm talking with someone. I'm talking to someone here. No? Yeah. Yeah, see? This is like a good news. Yeah. Yeah, the moon in reversed. There's an Aries or a fire sign is that na talagang gagawa at gagawa ng paraan para hindi ka makausad. Some of them, gagamitin ka nila para sila yung umunlad. Yeah. Okay. Well, Okay, next. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. Hang on. Okay. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Message for you. Okay. The Queen of Wands in reversed. Meron ditong naiinggit sa'yo, may nagagalit, may nagseselos. May pumapapel dito. Parang, yeah. Ano to? Yeah, the Queen of, the Nine of Cups in reversed. May nagagalit sa'yo. Fire sign. Pwedeng fire sign like you. Water sign. There's jealousy here. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Ito yung mga taong kulang at nakikita kanilang sabihin nating nabe-blessed. Okay? Sila yun. Nine of Cups in reversed. Some of you, wag kayong panghihinaan ng loob sa mga gusto nyong gawin. Yes. Kailangan nyo lang talagang umeffort at maging confident. Okay? Merong natotorpe. May nakukuha akong ganong energy. The King of Pentacles in reversed. The Moon in reversed. Yeah, may natotorpe. Alam naman ang pwedeng gawin. May magsasabi ng sikreto. May magsasabi ng sikreto. Or ng emosyon. Yung totoo. Yeah. Nandun lang yung nahihiya sila. Pwedeng Pisces. Pwedeng Capricorn. May mahuhuli. Yeah. Caught in the act. Parang ganyan. Lalo na sa lugar, lalo na sa workplace. Yeah. Yung mga petics. Okay? Yung mga petics. Pagdating sa trabaho. Okay? Baka mamaya makita kayo, may chance yung iba sa inyo mawala ng work. Yes. Or bababaan ng kung anumang case or kaso pagdating sa, yeah. Sana wala. The World. So there's travel for some of you here. Six of Cups. Your person from the past misses you. Yeah. They miss you. May mga, sabihin nating, in general, may mga taong nakakamiss sa'yo. Okay? May mga taong natulungan mo. Fire signs. May mga taong natulungan mo and darating at darating yung oras na ma-appreciate mo, no? Dahil darating sila, pwedeng gagawin din nila yung mga ginawa mo pagdating sa kanila, lalo na nga kung tinulungan mo. Sign of appreciation, like that. Parang ganyan. Okay? Hindi nila makakalimutan eh. Parang hindi nila makakalimutan yung ginawa mo na kabutihan. Kabutihan, I'm seeing here something good. Okay? Lahat ng ginawa mong mabuti, darating at darating ang panahon na aanihin mo rin yung kabutihang ginawa mo. Yes. So, vice versa. Kung ikaw gumawa ng hindi maganda, alam mo na. Okay? So, there. Some of you may chance na makapangasawa sa abroad. Okay? Makapangasawa sa abroad, doon na magkakaanak, doon na titira sa ibang lugar, sa abroad, kung ano man. Yeah. And may chance like offer na magkaroon na, like mag-migrate. Yan, may mga ganyan po. Okay? So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Messages for water signs. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. So, water signs. The Star in reversed. Some things needs healing. Okay? The Queen of Wands. May ganitong energy kanina. The Star in reverse and the Queen of Wands. Meron ditong nai-intimidate. Pwedeng Aqua, pwedeng fire sign. Nai-intimidate sila sa'yo. Or maybe ikaw yung nai-intimidate. Water signs. Someone's really wishing you bad luck. The Three of Swords. This is pain. Okay, the Queen of Wands. This person is sabihin nating intuitive, no? Meron silang sabihin nating they're like witch. Yeah. Napaka-consistent ng inyong energy sa ganito. Yes. The Star in reversed. Let's shuffle. Okay, shuffle natin ang maganda. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong message for you? Energy check-ins, prediction. Water signs. The Five of Swords in reversed. The Nine of Wands in reversed. So, there's an issue na pwedeng ma-fix, actually, kung e-effortan, kung pagfo-focusan. Okay? Meron ditong ile-let go na person. Pwedeng fire sign with air sign. Ace of Cups. There's a new love coming. Okay, the Ace of Cups. This is self-love din. Nandyan rin yung healing. Okay, focus sa sarili. Yan. The Ace of Cups. And the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. So, I'm seeing here a short-term connection. No? A short-term connection na pwedeng pumasok like in the near future para sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Pwede kasing short term lang dahil maboboard ka. Water sign, earth sign. Okay? Yeah. So, maybe, near future pa naman to. Siguro may chance kung itong short term na to, no, is dumating. May chance pa siguro na mabago. Pwede maging long term if ever. Okay? Everything na nasa future, pwedeng mabago kung anong gagawin mo sa recent mo. Okay? So, there. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, anong message for you, Earth signs? Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Earth signs. The Ace of Swords in reversed. Okay. So, pwedeng may mga messages na hindi pa nababasa. Okay. There is lies. May mga nakatago dito. There's secrets. The Ace of Swords in reverse. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Yeah. Someone is thinking of you a lot. They can't move on. Okay. They don't know how. No, kung paano ka i-let go. Maybe this is an air sign. Yeah, this is an air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Maybe some of them, they feel the strong connection pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Hindi kanya kayang i-let go. Hindi kanya kayang kalimutan. Huwag mabubulagan. Okay? There's something like too good to be true. There's too good to be true. Naririnig ko. Huwag mabubulagan. Okay? The Page of Pentacles. Yeah, there's a message. And the Six of Swords. A message galing sa malayong lugar. Pwedeng matanggap. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, meron ng chance na magkaroon ng visa. This is specific. Okay? Visa. May mag-grant. Makakaalis. May ticket akong nakukuha dito. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay? Something good energy coming in with this message. In a form of message. Okay? So, yeah. Merong chance na may mag-open ng business or kahit ano like, eto kahit may plano, kung hindi na i-execute, walang mangyayari. Tandaan nyo po yun, ha? Kung may plano ka, okay na yun. Ang kailangan na lang is i-execute. Execution lang talaga ang pinakamahalaga. Kasi kahit gaano pa kaganda yung plano mo, plano lang yan. Hanggang plano lang yan kung hindi nyo ma-execute. Okay? So, kapag na-execute nyo na, tsaka nyo na lang kasi malalaman yung next step. If ever. Doon nyo lang malalaman kung ano yung next move na gagawin ninyo if ever. Okay? So, yeah. Paano makakapagplano ng maganda, like perfect? Kung hindi mo naman alam ang mangyayari. 'Di ba? Kung na-execute mo na. Sigurado ka ba na ganun ang mangyayari? 'Di ba? Lahat ng plano mawawala ng silbi kung hindi magkakaroon ng execution. Okay? What else? Earth signs. The Hermit. May magsasabi ng sikreto dito. Meron ditong biglang manggo-ghost rin. Yeah. The Seven of Pentacles. Yung nang-ghost sa'yo, ang nakuha ko rito is parang they're just waiting kung anong mangyayari next. I don't know why. Someone wants to talk. Pero hindi nila alam kung paano sisimulan. So, nandun lang sila sa paghihintay pagdating sa'yo. Wait lang po ha, sandali lang. Okay, so ang pinakamalakas na energy ko nakukuha dito, Earth sign, is meron ditong gustong makipag-usap sa'yo. Tumatakbo ka sa utak nila, no? Oo, hindi ka ba napapagod? Wala ka nang ginawa kundi tumakbo sa utak ng taong to. Air sign, Virgo, Earth sign. Okay? There's planning here in the near future. Planning. And, pwedeng yun nga sabi ko, execution. The Seven of Pentacles, this is harvesting time. Okay? Harvesting. Some of you need to be more patient. Yeah, there's no success overnight. Ang sinasabi rin. Okay? May aanihin na maganda ang mga earth signs in the near future. Yeah. I'm seeing progress dito. Okay? Yeah. Yun lang. Yung taong nag-iisip sa'yo na hindi naman kumukontak, they're just waiting. Yeah, they're just waiting. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you.